Today in Final Cut Pro, I'm going to show you guys how to use the object tracker in Final Cut Pro. The built-in object tracker. You won't have to worry about buying a plugin for it or anything. It's just fully, entirely built in. For what I'm using as sort of an example for this, I'm using this right here, which is a slime just bouncing about. I used this video for a lot of my, videos. And then I'm using this subscribe button from a plugin by FX Factory called Comic Collection. This video is not sponsored by FX Factory, but I do have a whole sort of tutorial type thing where I go over everything in Comic Collection and how to use it. So feel free to check that out. Link will be in the description below to that. But let's get into it, shall we? Okay. So what I want to do first is on this, the top one is actually the subscribe button. I'm going to right click and turn it into a compound clip just because it will be a lot easier for us if it's a compound clip. Now I'm going to click on the actual video, okay? And then once I clicked on the video, I will want to click on object tracking. I will want to place this the best I can to pinpoint. It's actually a pretty big slime. I just want to make sure to get, we're going to do this track right here. That should be fairly easy. Actually, we're going to track the eye, okay? That's where we're going with that. And then we would click analyze, and now it's going to analyze the whole thing real quick. And now that it's complete with that, it had the tracking data already. So we can click done now. And then what we need to do next is click on here, click here, go see where it says tracker, click this arrow here, find our object track, and then just like that, we should be able to click done. Then we should be able to click play, and as you can see, the subscribe is tracked to our slime character right then and there, which is honestly pretty cool if I'm being perfectly honest, because I mean, it's tracked to the character. If we wanted to, we could change a few details, like say we didn't want to rotate at all, because as you saw toward the end, it was getting pretty wonky with the rotation. So it just doesn't rotate now. It just tracks up and down entirely as we want or need. And that can be done with just about anything, honestly. And there you have it. That is how you simply track something to an object in Final Cut Pro for free. No plugin needed at all, because Final Cut Pro had built-in object tracking. Now it can be a bit finicky from time to time, but I mean, the alternative is a paid tracking thing, which, yes, paid tracking thing, there's pros and cons to it. The main con being it's paid. This is a free option. Hopefully you guys can take full advantage of it. Let me know in the comment section below if this helped at all. Hopefully it did. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.